If you plan ahead, you'll have more success throughout the week. When planning meal prep, think about some ingredients that can be cross-utilized. This will save you time and money. Using the FN Sharp chef's knife, I'm going to begin by cutting the cheeks off of some bell peppers. I'm going to cut the first set into strips or to julienne, both the red and the yellow bell peppers. Then I'll take the other half of that and I'm going to cut into 1-inch dice. Once your peppers are all set and ready and prepped, just go ahead and set aside as we move along to the next step. Finally, chopping or mincing up some garlic cloves, in this case, about 2 to 3. Now with the onions, cross-utilizing, the first set of this half of an onion, I'm going to just cut into some thin strips here. Then the next one, I'm going to go a 1-inch dice. At first, cut 1-inch slices of onion, then remove each end, then go ahead and turn it so you're cutting perpendicular to the slices you just made, again in 1-inch slices. Roll your lime first to just break apart those fibers, cut in half, then get into some fresh ginger, just removing that outside skin. You can leave it on. It is such a thin skin, you're not going to even notice that it's there. I'm first going to cut my ginger into planks and then set a few planks on top of each other, and then I'll be able to cut very thin strips, turn those strips to the side, and then make a nice fine mince out of that fresh ginger. Go ahead and put all your veggies to the side. We're going to begin preparing our chicken breast, just going along that outside perimeter, removing any unsightly bits, any of that fat, cartilage that you may see, and then if you follow, there's a natural line on your large chicken breast, and if you follow that with your knife and cut that off, you see that right there, that little strip, it's kind of showing you where to cut. Follow that line, cut that off, and that is technically your chicken tender or your chicken strip. You can utilize both the breast and the chicken strip in this. For the first recipe, I'm going to cut some thin strips off of the breast, and then I'm going to lay those strips on the side and cut them into lengthwise strips yet again and set that aside. Next, with the chicken breast, I'm going to cut 1-inch dice or 1-inch cubes and set that aside. So now this is ready for 2 different recipes. Into a pan over medium-high heat, in with those sliced or julienne pieces of the bell pepper and onion, seasoned very well. Set that aside, then get your chicken strips in, seasoned very well, fresh lime juice squeezed on top, and now you have chicken fajitas for the week. Into a clean pan again over medium-high heat, a little oil. Now with the diced bell peppers and diced onions, season, set aside, in with some chicken, get that cooked through, back in with your peppers and onions. Now with a soy sauce with fresh cracked pepper and some additional ingredients to make Chinese black pepper chicken. 2 dishes, similar ingredients that we're cross-utilizing, and you got great options for the week at hand and ready.